Hello everyone, my name is Ravi Kumar. Today I am going to describe about the library book which I am reading nowadays. The book name is Power of Concentration. I am reading this book from few months and it was a very brilliant book for us. And I want to tell you about its the main and powerful points, the form of a summary. I will summarize its powerful points in front of you. So first of all, I will tell you about what is concentration. Concentration is an thinking process to increase your focus power. It will help you to find the ways in any work. You have listened many times that many meditation will help you and free your mind. So meditation is also a part of concentration. Concentration means just focus on your work. So let's I'm giving you an example of concentration and without concentration. Suppose you want to do and work in your life, but after some time you seen that it has many difficulties and many problems, and people are also saying that it is very difficult, you can't do that, and your family is also saying that you can't do it, and in that case you are not able to sing the correct way, and slowly you will think that I am in a good very bad. If all are saying that you can't do this, so obviously I can't do this, so I should leave that work, I should left from it. So in that case you will give up from your own work for just seeing difficultness. You lost your confidence, your mind will be not growing, you can harm your mental power. So it can happen without concentration and focus on your work. You will always give up to every work, whether it is high or low. So just reduce that things. We need to concentration. We need to growing our power of concentration for just increase our focus thinking. So the steps of concentration. First of all, we should think about our work, that which kind of work you are going to do, and what is steps of that work, and what is difficultness of that work, and how will you reduce this difficultness, and how will you achieve your goals. Concentration will balance your mind. If you are thinking a lot without any reason, so it will balance your mind. It will avoid your distractions. Many distractions can comes in your way in your life. It will control your body, it will control your mindset, it will develop your viewpoint. I tell you that concentration is a silent force that produces your good result in every work, and it will also help to overcome your bad habits. We know already that every person have also a bad habit, and they want to reduce that. So it can happen only with concentration. You should concentrate your mind, you should focus on your work, that what you want to do and what you have to do. Concentration will also help you in business fields. Business must need to concentration mind. If you will follow always the rules of concentration, so it can fulfill your desires, your choices, your wants, your needs. Concentration will also maintain control your thoughts of creation. Concentration can develop yourself, can develop your thoughts. Concentration will revise your lessons of life, and concentration will centralize your mind. That how will you concentrate in your work, how will you focus on your work, how will you reduce your distractions. So if you want to follow that things, so you must follow the power of concentration. You must increase your concentration power, your focus power. Your body works like as you think, and for working good you need to change your things. You need to change your thinking, you need to change your thought, you need to change your mindset. and you need to change your viewpoint. Concentration will show you always positive mindset, always positive viewpoints. Do you know every invention needs concentration? Every person wants to win, but without confidence and without concentration and without focus, you can't win. You have to ignore your negative things. You have to ignore your around negative peoples and their things. You have to overcome your bad habits, and it can happen with only concentration. I'm saying again, you can't do anything without power of concentration. You should increase your power. So in that book I learned many things. I learned about many distraction points which is happening nowadays, and due to loss your focus you will defeat your life. Nowadays every person is losing their others confidence, and people absorb their things in their minds and think negatives, and we know very well that negativity will not help to anyone. I am making this video for just describing the positive points of confidence and concentration and focus. I hope you will listen carefully. You will follow that points, and you must increase your power of concentration. You must focus on your work. I am describing this book to front of you because it is very helpful to you all and for me also. If you will follow this thing very well, you will know very well that what is happening nowadays, what is distraction and what is negative, and what is positive, and what is difficult and what is easy. You will find easily. Concentration will must help you in every work in your life, and I hope you will get my points very well, and you will start increase your thinking power by the help of power of concentration. And now I want to say thank you to watching and listening my video. Thank you so much.